So in today's video, we are looking at GBPUSD and we want to consider the potentials in the markets. What are we expecting going into the weekend? So this is 1 hour time frame and we can see the GBPUSD breaking down below this very ascending channel. Are we seeing an end to this bullish move? Let us analyze and see what happens. Now, this is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify Forex trading, making it easy for even the newbies to learn how to be profitable trading the Forex market. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. I will not forget to let you know that my mobile trading accelerator course will be released 15th of next month. So if you want to learn how to make money in the Forex market in a very consistent manner, then make sure you check the link below to enroll in that course, because I have a massive discount in the price of the course for the first 100 persons that will subscribe to the course before the launch date. So ensure you click on the link and check out the course. So without further ado, let's get into the business of the day. We have been within this very ascending channel. Okay, so this is the ascending channel and the price began at this point and then came to this point, then returned to the top of the channel here. And then we saw the price return here and the price gradually moved up to the top of the channel here and closed above the channel, then later came in here to close within, leaving us with a fake out here. And a fake out in one direction leads to an extended move to the opposite direction. That is why we got this move to the downside here. And now it's looking as though we're getting a break, but I tell you, not yet. We are still going to move back up into this area. And you know what? I will show you the reason why I think we are moving back up into this very area. These are the secrets that is covered in the Mobile Trading Accelerator course, helping you know exactly where the market is going at any point in time to a very large percentage of accuracy. So this fake out here led to this extended move to this downside, and now we are visiting the downside of this very channel and also this very demand zone, okay, this support area. Like I said initially, this uptrend is not over. We are having liquidities when imbalances above here. We're having imbalances here, telling us that price is returning back to this area. So the question now is, how are you going to trade? A buy position from anywhere here with a stop loss just below here is a very good trade that will take price back up into these very highs, okay? So price will certainly be returning to these highs in the next trading sections, okay? So expect a bounce from this very area back into this very channel and to the top of the channel. Unless we begin to see a consistent close below these areas, that is when we can say that this upward trend is over. Make sure you check out my mobile accelerator course and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next video.